Wondering if your Xtreme HD IPTV service is down? It happens. Don't worry. First, let me tell you about 2TV.store, a fantastic IPTV provider with exceptional service. Alright, now, let's dive into steps you can take to fix your IPTV. Start by checking your internet connection. Sometimes the simplest issues are the easiest to overlook. If your internet is perfectly fine, it's time to explore other possibilities. Restart your device. Often a simple reboot is all it takes to refresh connections. Still no luck? It's crucial to confirm if the service is experiencing a widespread issue. Sometimes, service providers might be conducting maintenance. Are you still having trouble? Reaching out to IPTV support could be your next step. Always keep your provider's contact information handy. In conclusion, don't let these issues frustrate you. By assessing connections and staying in touch with reliable providers like 2TV Store, you'll enjoy uninterrupted streaming.